It's autumn here in Maine, and you know what that means for me? I love to paint fall leaves. I go outside and collect those beautiful, colorful leaves, bring them into my studio, put them on my little studio desk, and paint what I see. I just love how all those colors bleed together, and as I layer these colors up, emerges this gorgeous, beautiful, detailed leaf, each one unique and individual. I love how no two are alike. This one here in particular has lots of different colors in it, and even the imperfections in the leaf I find very endearing. So you can't go wrong painting leaves. In fact, if you want to paint a leaf with me, you can. I have made a mini course. I've shown you step by step how to paint two of my favorite leaves. And I have a bonus section of a whole bunch of more leaf references from here in Maine that I've scanned in and made into a downloadable PDF for you to use as reference guides to continue painting what you learn in my little mini course. Now in my course, I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite techniques, which I'm demonstrating here. You're going to learn how I layer my wet and wet technique, how I go in with dry brushing in the detail, how to splatter paint to create all those different textures at the end. And most importantly, you're going to learn my watercolor strategy. The most important part to building a beautiful, vibrant watercolor is the strategy you come up with beforehand. And I walk you step by step with what you need to plan out when creating that strategy. And, we have lots of fun practicing on scrap paper, testing our colors. And the best part about this whole little mini course is you really can't go wrong. Leaves are very forgiving. There's so many little interesting little marks and imperfections in them that even if you do something a little off, it's still going to look like a leaf. So why don't you head on over, there's a link below, the section below this video, there's a link that'll take you over. It's only available for the month of October, this course, so you want to make sure you get it before it's gone. And if you have any questions for me, I'd be happy to answer them. You can always shoot me back a reply or email me at artist@tracylizottestudios.com. Hope to see you in the course.